Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURJPY, Euro Japanese Yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro JPY in front of us right now, and if we look at the overall trend of the market here, then we can see that overall market is towards the downside. The tendency of the market is towards the downside, but we have seen Euro JPY is in sideways zone for the last couple of days and weeks. So therefore overall trend may be towards the downside, but right now Euro JPY is a sideways market. Therefore, considering the sideways market, okay, we will have opportunities on both the side, because see, in sideways market neither buyers are dominating the market, neither sellers are dominating the market. So number of buyers and sellers are almost equal, and as a result we get trading opportunities on both the sides. This is the main reason in sideways market we can also short the market at the resistance and we can go for buy orders at the support. So, and right now you can see that the last traded price of Euro JPY is 129.87. This is the last traded price of Euro JPY. So just tell me one thing, if we go for buy here, suppose if I go for a buy here, so my stop loss will obviously be below this level, because see, I do not have any proper support here. So if I follow the rules of stop loss, then obviously my stop loss will be here, and being resistance at 130.50, therefore this is my take profit target. So you can clearly see that my risk to reward ratio does not match. And on the other hand, if I go for sell also, then this will be my take profit target, this will be my stop loss. But still I do not have any proper logic to click on the sell button, because you can see that market is very bullish right now. So I do not have any proper reason why should I short the market. Therefore this is our no trading zone, and as I always say, my dear friends, do not compromise with the trading discipline, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. So my dear friends, don't be a gambler, be a trader. So do not trade in the middle, just wait for the perfect opportunity and perfect timing. So in the market of Euro JPY, we have got two levels where we can make good trades, or where we can go for some little bit of fun. First of all, if market goes up on Monday, let's wait for the market to hit the level of 130.50. 130.50 is a very strong resistance from the weekly chart. Therefore there is a good possibility of market reversing from this level. So if market reverses from 130.50 level, you can short the market. How you'll get the confirmation? You will get the confirmation in the form of a shooting star, a bearish engulfing pattern candle here. Okay, once you get the confirmation that yes, market is struggling near the resistance, sellers are still present at the resistance, you can short the market. Yes, you can short the market at the resistance of 130.50. this is your first trading opportunity. And on the other hand, if market goes down, then your first trading opportunity will be at 128 level. 128 level. So if market bounces from 128 level, this will be your second trading opportunity. And if market bounces means, if you see a hammer pattern or a green candle like this, then you will get the confirmation that yes, market is respecting 128 level as a valid support, and you can click on the tick on the buy button, this being the second trading opportunity. And in case market breaks the level of 128 level, 128.50, sorry, I forgot, spelling mistake here, this will be 128.50. my dear friends, extremely sorry, I do not edit my videos, I do not get time to edit my videos, otherwise I would have record a new video. But sorry. Okay, so if market bounces from 128.50 level, you can go for buy. This is our second trading opportunity. And if market breaks the level of 128.50 level, then your next trading opportunity will be at 128 level. This is your third trading opportunity. So if market reverses from the weekly resistance level of 130.50 level, you can short the market. If market bounces from 128.50 level, you can go for buy. And if market breaks the level, then your next trading opportunity, buying opportunity, will be at 128 level. This is your third trading opportunity. So these are the three trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro JPY, Euro Japanese yen. In the middle, if you want to trade, you can go for trade, but see, that will be a 50-50 chance. So as I say, do not be a gambler, be a trader, and please do not trade in the middle. If you are a beginner, new to trading, stop trading in the middle. Only trade at the levels that I have mentioned right now. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya on Monday.